Hello there, I'm Victoria Davis, and I am going to talk to you today about what I believe will be the most exciting part of my career. I am currently attending Bachelor's of Science degree program at Bryant Stratton College, and I've been an LPN for about 6 years now. I think I took my NCLEX in December of 2009, so it's been about 6 years now. I believe the most exciting part of my career. Sorry, my nose itches a little. The most exciting part of my future career will be learning something new every day, seeing different illnesses and injuries from beginning until end. I have always been interested in the way the body works and repairs itself. It's absolutely fascinating. This and wanting to help others is why I became a nurse to begin with and why I'm continuing on with my education. As an LPN for the last 6 years, I've worked in long-term care, which is with the older generation, older population of patients who may have mobility issues, they may just have memory issues, just a slightly older population that just can't be at home by themselves and needs 24-hour care, but just not all hands-on care. I've also done skilled care, which is people having surgeries, and after their surgeries they go to a facility just to get a little bit of rehab in order to go back home, whether it be knee or hip replacements, hand replacements, pretty much a little bit of everything as far as skilled goes. And I've also worked in corrections. I worked at the Cuyahoga County Jail for 2.5 years with regular inmates, psych inmates, and also with the high-risk inmates, such as people, high-profile cases. I've seen a lot of different things, from just older people with a little bit of dementia to deep necrotic wounds that needed to be drained and packed on a daily basis. That was the most fascinating thing I've ever seen. I've seen suicide attempts, terrible, terrible, and so sad. I have seen, you know, alcoholics and drug addicts detoxing, and that's just terrifying and just horrific. You have no idea. It's not something that is for the faint of heart, and not everybody can really be a nurse because of those things. I've been bitten, kicked, and called every single name you can think of. I've worked with some pretty amazing nurses as well who have taught me so much, more than I've ever learned in school, more than I think I could ever have learned in school. They taught me things I didn't know about illnesses and the easiest way to inject a patient without them really knowing it. They've also taught me how to build relationships with the more difficult patients. It's been one pretty amazing ride so far, and I'm very excited to see what becoming an RN will bring to my life experiences. While I work in the ER and see traumas, while I work in labor and delivery and see new babies being brought into the world and help the moms and dads adapt to becoming new parents. Will I work in hospice and be there to comfort families losing loved ones? Or will I work in the ICU and be responsible for maintaining fragile balances to keep people stable? I really don't know what I'm looking for in a career long term as an RN, but I'll tell you what, I can't wait to become one and just start experiencing everything that I possibly can so that I can go ahead and find my niche. And I do apologize for the use of no visual aids. I do believe that I have portrayed how excited and happy this profession has made me and how much I think that it will make me further, so there was no use for a visual aid. I think my visual aid was me. Thank you very much.